What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to solve a higher order differential equation. Here we have a third order differential equation, y triple prime plus y double prime minus 6y prime plus 4y is equal to 0. The first thing is we have to convert this one into characteristic equation. To do that, if it's third order, we just put it as r cube plus second order r square minus 6r, and since we don't have any derivative, we just put the coefficient in front. That's 4, right? And we equalize this one to 0. Now the next thing is we have to factor this one out. Now if it's second order, it's easy to see right away and we can factor them out. But when we have a higher order differential equation, sometimes it's hard. So when you have this kind of situation, you have to look at the last number. So you have to look at the last number. What are the factors of 4? In this case we have 4. So what are the factors of 4? So we have to look at 1, 2, 4. These are the factors of 4. And we have to look at the plus minus of each of them and check it out whether any of them works. So let's check minus 1 first. If I check minus 1, check r is equal to minus 1. And if we plug this one right here, this is going to be minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 6 times negative 1 plus 4 should be equal to 0. Let's see whether it's 0. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 6 times minus 1 is plus 6, plus 4, is it equal to 0? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 11, 11 minus 1, 9, it's not equal to 0. So this one is not working, okay? So we shouldn't just stop it right there, we have to just go all the way. So let's look at the positive one. So the next thing is we can check the positive one. Check r is equal to positive 1. R is equal to positive 1, and then we have to plug it in this equation. That's going to be 1 cube plus 1 square minus 6 times 1 plus 4 should be equal to 0. 1 cube is 1 plus 1 minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6. So this is giving us 0. So this is the correct one. So from this one we are getting 0 is equal to 0. So this is one of the solution. So the next thing is we can write this one as, if we take this r cube plus r square minus 6r plus 4, and if we divide that one by this one, we know that r is equal to 1. So if we write this one in equation like this, like we can write this one as r minus 1 is equal to 0. So r minus 1 is one of the factors. So we can divide this one by that's one r minus 1 and see what we get. So to do that, you can do the long division or you can do the synthetic division. Now here I'm going to do the synthetic division and let's see what we are getting. Okay, so let's put it right here. So the coefficient of each of this, 1 1 minus 6 4, 1 1 minus 6 4, and this is r minus 1, that is just 1. Okay, so first I bring this one down right here and then multiply this one by this. Let's use a different color. This one by this. 1 times 1, that's just 1. I put it right here. Okay, so 1 plus 1, that's 2. Then you multiply this one by this, that is just 2. So you put it right here. Minus 6 plus 2, minus 4. 1 time minus 4 is minus 4. We put it right here, minus 4. Plus 4 plus minus 4, that's going to be 0. So the remainder is 0. So that's done right here. So we can just express this one as, so finally we can express this one as 1, that's r. So this is going to become second order right now because we are dividing this one by r. One of the order is gone. So this is second order and this is going to be r square and this is going to be 2r minus 4, that's equal to 0. And one of the solution we already found, r minus 1. We can write this one as r is equal to r minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore r is equal to 1. This is one of the solution. Now we have to figure out these things. Now we have brought this one into a second order pattern. Now the next thing is we have to factor this one out, or we have to do the quadratic formula to find out these r values. So this seems like this is not factorable. So we have to go to the quadratic formula. In the quadratic formula, we put it as r is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 4 divided by 2 times 1. Okay, and when you solve this quadratic formula, you will get r is equal to minus 1 plus root 5, or you will get r is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5. Okay, plus or minus, but this is not or, because both of them are going to be our solution. So finally, our solution, general solution for this differential equation is going to be in this pattern: y of t. First we put the first solution, that is, okay, we have 3 solutions right here. So first solution is this one, r is equal to 1. So we put some constant c1 e power, so we multiply the power 1 times t, so that's going to be just t, then plus c2 e power, so we put this one multiplied by t, so that's going to be negative 1 plus square root of 5 multiplied by t, and then another constant e power, we multiply this one times t, minus 1 minus square root of 5 times t, and that's going to be our solution. And that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.